In today's video we will learn how you can make money with the Warrior Plus affiliate network. This is a Warrior Plus tutorial for beginners as well. No matter if you're a complete beginner, I'll show you how you can exactly make money just like this, and I'll show you a completely free and easy way to promote any Warrior Plus offers. So make sure you follow me every step in this video. So first of all you want to come to the Warrior Plus website. And most of you guys probably have an account already created, or if you don't have an account created, then you want to sign up here by clicking right here to this button. And once you guys logged into your account, then you'll see some of the top products here, and it's filtered by today. That means these are the top products for today, but we're not picking any product from here. I'll show you a better way to pick a product to promote, and for that, you want to hover over here affiliate, and then you want to go offers. So once you guys come over to the offers page, you'll see here it's sorted by pulse score, which means these offers have had good affiliate performance over the past few months. As you can see, these are the pulse score of each offer. So now we can easily pick an offer that has a higher pulse score. But another two things we have to focus on before picking any offer to promote, and that is the conversion rate. You want to pick an offer that has a minimum conversion rate as 10% or above. Let's say you've promoted an offer to 100 people, and if that offer has a 10% conversion rate, that means you'll get 10 sales from that offer. So hope you understand why you want to pick an offer that has a minimum conversion rate of 10%. Now the second thing you want to focus on is the refund rate. You want to only pick an offer that has less than a 6% refund rate. Now why I'm explaining these, the calculation is very easy. If you get 10 sales from a 10% conversion rate offer, and if that offer has a 5% refund rate, that means you'll get 5 permanent sales from that offer. So hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. Okay, so now let's say you want to promote this offer, and the traffic strategy that I'm gonna show you, you can pick any offer to promote. It's not required to pick a specific category offer. So for instance, you want to promote this offer, but you can't start immediately promoting any of these offers. You need to get approval from the owner of these offers before you start promoting. And to get the approval from an offer, you'll see on the right side a request button. And if you click this request button, then it'll bring you to this page. And here you want to click this button, request approval. Now here, as you can see, request notes, and it's optional, but you could type something like, "Hi, I'm highly interested to promote this offer to my blog or YouTube channel. And I'll also use other traffic sources to bring sales to this offer." So you want to say here something like that, and then you want to click request offer. Now once you guys get approved from an offer, you want to come to the offers page again, and you want to click right here, as you can see, all offers, and then you want to click approved only. So you're filtering offers that are approved to you. Now if you go to the bottom, then you'll see instead of a request button, you'll see now a get link button. So you want to click get link to get the affiliate link of the offer. So as you can see, this is your affiliate link. With this link you want to send traffic. And for the traffic source we will be using YouTube. But don't worry guys, you don't need to make any video yourself. I will tell you what you want to do. So as you can see, these people are making review videos about Warrior Plus offers. And these guys are literally making a decent amount of money by doing this. Now if you can make videos yourself, then it would be great. But if you don't want to make any video, then let me show you what you want to do. You want to go to an offer page, and here you'll find a view sales page button. And if you click this button, then it'll open the offer sales page. Now whichever offer you pick to promote, and whichever offer you get approved, once you come over to that offer sales page, you'll find a video of that offer. So what you want to do, you want to capture this video with a free screen recorder like OBS Studio. And once you finish recording the video, then you want to upload the video on your channel, and make sure you make a separate channel for this, cause these videos will not be monetized. Okay, now here the title is very important. First you want to type the offer name, whichever offer you get approved. Then at the end you want to type review, so this way people will find your video in the YouTube search. And then in the description you want to put your affiliate link. And you can add some text like this to get people's attention to your link. And after that you want to add a thumbnail to your video. Without a thumbnail you'll not get any views, and no views mean no sale. And then you want to add some tags like this. and once you guys finish these, then you wanna go to the next step. Now here, as you can see, there is a copyright issue, but it's not any problem at all. If you see the copyright message, then you'll see the copyright owner is allowing you to use this content, but you can't monetize the video, but you can upload the video, and for that you wanna go to the next step, and you wanna set it to public, and then you wanna make it publish. Now this is what you're doing affiliate marketing, guys. This is a part of affiliate marketing, and if you wanna learn how you can set up a long-term affiliate marketing business, then watch this video. You'll learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can set up your online business. And before you go and watch the video, please drop a like to this video for a little appreciation. Make a comment. Your comment will motivate me to make more videos, and remember to subscribe to watch my next video.